Hello, children. Good morning. How are you today? Happy Monday. Hope you are all safe at home and you are all doing your homework on time. I got many of your homeworks. Many of you send your homework. Very good. Very good, children. Hope you are doing the homework and studying all the subjects. We have to study all the subjects. Yes? So, are you all speaking in English? Very good. Are you speaking in English? Some of you are not speaking in English. Oh, you have to start speaking in English. Every day, when you start speaking in English, you will become fluent in English. Do you want to speak in English? Yes. So, you should start speaking in English. Repeat whatever we hear here. You repeat, repeat, repeat. And then speak, speak, speak. You can read in English, you can write in English, but if you don't speak in English, how can you learn? So, to learn how to speak in English, you have to speak, speak, speak. Just like you are speaking Malayalam. How do you learn Malayalam? When you are a baby, you remember? You didn't know Malayalam, but you started speaking. So now you can speak Malayalam. So if you want to learn a new language, start speaking that language. Don't know, no problem. So we are coming to the second part of our this chapter, second chapter, which is the chapter Meet My Friends. So are you talking to your are you greeting your papa and mama good morning in the morning and good night in the night? When you go to sleep, say good night. In the morning, when you get up, good morning, Papa, good morning, Mama. You can meet and greet your Papa and Mama like that. When you meet your friends, you can say hi, hello. Okay? And we are coming to the next part, meet my friends. So, page number 22, we have D1. Listen and repeat it as fast as you can. Repeat after me. Listen and repeat it as fast as you can. A red lorry rolls on a long road. So that is, you have to say it as fast as you can. So a red lorry rolls on a long road. A red lorry rolls on a long road. A red lorry rolls on a long road. So it's a fun activity. It's fun activity. You are speaking very fast. A red lorry rolls on a long road. A red lorry rolls. So you can say it as fast as you can. Okay, try. Okay, very good.
Listen and repeat. Pay attention to the beginning sound of each word. Then read the words aloud.
Log, leg, lamp, lip, lemon, rob, red, rack, ring, robot.
Listen and repeat. Pay attention to the beginning sounds of each word. Then read the words aloud.
Log, leg, lamp, lip, lemon, rob, red, rack, ring, robot.
Now the next part is, now you have to listen to the middle sound in these words and listen.
Now listen to the middle sound in these words. Which sound do you hear?
Burn, curd, hurt, nurse, purse, bird, dirt, girl, learn, sir, herb, turn, verb, word, burst.
Okay, we finished that. Now D4. You have to say the words aloud and you have to circle the odd one out. There is one word that is different. So listen to these words. Let's say these words aloud. Repeat after me, okay? Circle the odd word. Repeat after me. Say these words aloud. Circle the odd word. List, last, lap, lick, roll. Which is different? Yes, roll is different. Circle that. Next row, run, rip, rise, lice, rash. Which is the odd one out? Which is the odd word? Yes, lice. What is lice? If you have lice in your head, your head will scratch. That's lice. Yes. Next one. Turn, burn, purse, mother, nurse. Which is different? Yes, mother. Because turn, burn, purse, nurse all have the O sound. Own. Next one. Look at this. You can circle like this. Page number 23.
Sally is describing her friends. Listen and match each person with the things they like.
Hello, these are my friends. The woman wearing spectacles is Afreen. She plays with us in the park. She likes cars. Sandeep is the boy who has curly hair. He likes aeroplanes. The pretty girl with long earrings is Subha. She likes bicycles. The little boy is Samir. He is 2 years old. He likes chocolates.
Okay, so you all listen to what Sally was describing. Sally was describing her friends and we listened to her say what they like. So same way, you have to look at this page and describe your family members. Who are your family members? Your father, mother, yes, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, or you say auntie here. Uncle or aunt, cousin, your brother or your sister. So these are all your family members. Then there are relatives, your cousins. So anybody who is related to you is your cousins. So look at this page, please. You have to work in pairs and describe your family members to your partner, to your friend. You can talk about how they are related to you, their likes and dislikes. Repeat after me. Work in pairs and describe your family members to your partner. You can talk about how they are related to you, their likes and dislikes. Now the next part is the word wizard. What is a word wizard? You're very good at something. That is a wizard. You have another meaning for that. Wizard is a magician. He can do magic. Has so much skill with magic. Same way you can be a word wizard when you're using these words. Have you heard about computer wizards? Yeah, they are very good at they know how to operate the computer very well. Same way, you can be a word wizard. You can use these words. You may use the following words, family names. So you will talk about my brother, my mother, my father, my sister, my cousin, my aunt, my uncle, my grandfather, my grandmother. And then you can talk about how they are related to you. My brother is your brother. My mother is your mother. Your father is your father. My sister is my sister. My cousin, you can talk about your cousin sister. Okay, they can be your father's, from your father's side or your mother's side, cousins from both sides. Aunt is somebody. Sometimes it is your mother's sister or your father's sister is your aunt. Or who is an uncle? Uncle is sometimes your father's brother or your mother's brother. Both are uncle. Next, grandfather is your father's father or your mother's father. Grandmother is your mother's mother or your father's father. So you can talk about this, my father, my grandmother, and then you can say about the things they like. They like to buy toys for me. Yes, they like to buy toys for you. Okay. They like ice creams and they like to buy ice creams for me. Yes, you can say that. They like banana, they don't like banana, or you can say they like books or they don't like reading books, or you can say they like pizza or they don't like pizza, whatever. You can say what they like and dislike. So that is the way you are describing your relatives, those who are close related to you. So this is how we are when we meet our friends. This is my father, this is my mother, this is my brother, this is my sister. When you're talking with them, you can say they like, they don't like. So that's how you talk when you meet with your friends or with somebody else. Okay. So I have completed all the homework and I have put in the answer keys. Please go through that and finish this chapter. So till then, let's meet next week. Till then, stay safe. God bless you, children.